Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your Creative Outlier Go. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. And now close the case. These earbuds are disconnected from your phone, so just open it then and it will reconnect to your phone. So now we should wait, or we can click here. And we have connected. But if it didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and after that press and hold this connection button for at least a second. Here we go. Now, we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And after hard reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!